corner. All right, we are doing 36830D. 36830D.
All right, this is team 36830D and code stagnation properties 564. We'll start off with the sizing. The robot fits within 18 inches by 18 inches. So here's the sizing tool. It is 18 inches by 18 inches, as you can see. 18 and an 18. For sure. Double checking. It is in size. The team is only competing with one robot. We promise that we are only competing with one robot. The robot does not contain any components that will detach, and it does not. It has a team identification here and here. Blue plates are on right now. The robot does not contain any components that could entangle or damage the playing field or other robots. It does not, nothing detaches, nothing gets sharp, anything like that. It does not contain any sharp edges or corners. Just said that it does not contain any sharp edges or corners. The robot brain power button is accessible without moving or lifting the robot. The brain power button is right there. The team testifies that designing, building, and programming the robot was done only by the students on the team, and that is true. All components are or identical to official VEX products as sold on vex.robotics.com. That is true. It does not use any rope or cable protection materials or tape. Robot does not use VEX products intended for use as a robot component or any VEX packaging. That is true. All components on the robot not meeting VRC inspection criteria are non-functional declarations. We don't have any declarations. The plastic, we took the plastic off, so there's no plastic on this robot anymore. It only has one V5 robot brain that is there. It uses the VEXNet wireless communication system. None of the electronics are from the other VEX lines. Total number of smart motors is not more than 8. We have 8 motors. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 to drive it. We have 2 here on the intakes, and we have 1 up here on that side, and we have 1 here on this side. The robot contains no VEX 2-wire motors. Does not. Robot uses 1 V5 robot battery. And it's on the back right here. The robot is controlled by no more than 2 V5 controllers. We'll only have 1 controller, and you'll be able to see it the entire time for both autonomous and driver. No VEX. What? No VEX electric components have been modified. There is a state that's true. No method of attachment not provided by the VEX design system is used. Nothing is welded or glued. Robot uses a maximum of 2 pneumatic air reservoirs. There are no pneumatics on this robot. It contains no components obtained from the V5 data program. There are no custom cables on the robot. There are no decorations on the robot that are non-functional or functional. Robot brain has the latest firmware. That is true. And there's no vision sensor on this robot. Jacob, will you? We'll plug into the switch and the inspection. Jacob, will you lift the robot? First, we'll do autonomous and enable. Hold on. First, we'll do autonomous and enable. As you can see, we cannot move the robot. Nothing that I do does anything. Disable. Driver, enable. Now things work.
What are y'all going to start with today?
Programming skills.
All right, we're going to do programming skills first. where they're gonna get the field set up right now for programming skills. They're gonna put their safety goggles on and set the field up. So I verified that there are 15 blue balls on this field, 14 red balls with one red preload right here. Everything is set up the way it's supposed to be. They're gonna show you the proper setup of their robot. They know the correct rules. We have a video that is we have a standard camera, and then we have our timer right here on the board. We're gonna be running Tournament Manager, and I'll be serving as the head rep. We're gonna have the students start programming skills in just a second. All right, so we're gonna do driver skill, everyone knows, and goggles on.
It's good. The controller is just gonna be set down right here the entire time.
Okay, we're queuing programming skills.
And as soon as I need to stop, I'll do the X over my hands to signal stop time.
Okay. All right, starting in 3, 2, 1. All right, so we have scored 1 blue ball for a score of 1 point. If you want to reset the field, and we will run a second programming skills. This will be saved as your first score. I verify that the field is set up appropriately. Everything's in the right place. This red ball is touching the robot, so we are ready to begin our second run of programming skills for Team D. We're going to start in 3, 2, 1. All right, we have 9 seconds left on the clock, and we have removed 3 balls from the center goal and de-scored those 3 balls. So there are 12 blue balls left on the field. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is still scored blue, this is still scored blue, still scored blue, blue, nothing, blue, 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 blue. They've de-scored the middle, which gives them a programming score of 27 points. It's a programming score of 27 points and a stop time of 9 seconds left. Will you be running a third programming skills, or are you fine with your score now?
I'm gonna go run a third.
Okay, they're gonna run one more. We're gonna reset the timer, and he's gonna reset the field.
This is-
That's gonna be that one.
That's where all the other ones.
No, it's gonna be open with that. Yeah. It's on this side, it won't like, that one's gonna be touching. All right, this is gonna be their third and final programming skill score. Third and final programming skill score for team D. For team D, the field has 15 blue balls, 14 red balls, and 1 ball preloaded right here.
The stop time is gonna be the X over the front of them.
All right, here we go, starting in 3, 2, 1. All right, that gives us another score of 27 points. We've got 2 blue, 1 blue, 2 blue, 1 blue, 1 blue, 2 blue, 1, 2. Jacob, if you'll take them around, let them look at it. And there is nothing in the center goal. These are still blue. There are no red scores, but there are only 13 blue balls left. There are only 12 blue balls left and no score in them. They just de-scored the middle, which gives them a final programming score max of 27 points. We're gonna add the programming skill score now, and then they're gonna set the field up for driver control. All right. I've got 15 blue balls, 14 red balls, 1 preloaded touching here, a red ball here. We're gonna begin driver skills in 3, 2, 1. All right, so that one was still touching, so that red does not count.
Is it still touching them?
It was when it was still touching the top one, the timer still went off.
But the blue is descored,
The
right?
deep blue is D4. So that is a,
So if it falls down after the time goes, it doesn't
it
actually
doesn't
count.
count, yeah.
Dang it. There shouldn't be any rows though, so that's good, except for the red one.
Okay, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 blue balls. Do you confirm?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 blue balls, yes.
7 blue balls, and I have 1, 2, 3 red balls scored.
Yes. In a row.
In a row, which gives you a first score of 59. First score of 59. Oh, wait, hold on. No, that's incorrect. I'm incorrect on my score there. Because that's none.
Yeah. Did you?
No, yeah, I did not do the middle none, so that gives us a score of 65. It's a first score of 65. And we will start setting up for our second driver skill run.
I just forgot to put the preload in that time.
It was on the side.
Yeah,
Oh, in
no.
your own page.
Yeah, but since it's dry, then I can actually like do something.
Put it inside. Just set it down. It'll be okay.
That one goes, there should be 2 in that corner.
All right. All right, we're gonna do our second driver skills. Second driver skills starting in 3, 2, 1.
That was pretty bad.
All right. 1, 2, 3, 4 blue school balls left. No red balls scored. 4 blue balls left. Correct final score is 59. Correct final score is 59. There are only 4 blue balls left. in this corner up top. That's a final score of 59. Will you be running a third driver skill?
Yes.
All right, let's reset the field.
You just disappeared. Oh, that's great. The blue balls.
I moved that one over just a little bit. No. He's got it. Should have it. All right, this is their final driver skill of the day. Team 36830D. Final driver skill of the day. All right, resetting the timer. Loading this up. All right, final driver skills in 3, 2, 1. All right, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 blue balls left. No red balls scored, and a none right here in the bottom corner, which gives them a final score of 43 points. A final score of 43 points.
I think that's it. No,
That's it. All right, I think that's it. Thank you so much.